Welcome to the Forest Villas by Lily, where modern provincial relaxation meets breathtaking mountain vistas. Nestled in the heart of Jalajala Rizal, this 2-hectare mountain retreat is your perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Immerse yourself in the luxury of spacious private villas, each boasting 2 bedrooms equipped with 3 full-sized beds and ensuite bathrooms. Step out onto your private terrace, where outdoor dining and lounging areas await you. The Forest Villas by Lily offers an array of exciting outdoor activities for guests of all ages. Whether it's a friendly game of volleyball, a thrilling round of archery, play a spirited game of pickleball or shoot some hoops on our half basketball court, or a relaxing evening by the bonfire, there's something for everyone here. Indulge in hearty home-cooked meals at our restaurant and bar, offering stunning views of Laguna de Bay and Mount Makiling. Sip on your favorite beverage while taking in the natural beauty that surrounds you. Each villa is equipped with modern amenities, including smart TVs with Netflix access, complimentary wireless internet, and personal refrigerators stocked with purified water. Your comfort is our priority. Whether you're looking for a family getaway, a corporate retreat, or simply a weekend escape, the Forest Villas by Lily promises an unforgettable experience. Come, unwind, and reconnect with nature at our mountain retreat. Book your stay today and discover the magic of the Forest Villas by Lily. Your journey to relaxation awaits.